What's up guys, Glenn here back on the Function Powersports YouTube channel. Today we have Coy from Khaos Off Road, which is, way down south, and he's got this really badass mud machine build. And I'm gonna let Coy talk about a little bit what he does at Khaos Off Road, and then we'll get into the build behind us.
So we do a lot of custom fabrication for ATVs and UTVs. We do custom cut wheels, lift kits, rear racks, front bumpers, radiator relocation kits, and we do some custom headlights. We're located in Flomaton, Alabama. We're about an hour northeast of Pensacola, Florida. So we have a 2015 Honda Foreman 500. We have our custom cut radiator relocation kit on there. We have our dual slim 7-inch LED headlight conversion kit, and we have our custom cut front bumper with the 2,500 pound Harbor Freight winch on it.
So as you can see, it's got some huge luggy tires. It's got some really neat wheels on here. And he's currently running High Lifter Outlaw 3s and a 33x9 R18. So for the wheels on this machine, what the heck are you running here?
So we've got a set of custom cut 18x3 wheel blanks with the custom cut wheel center that we welded into it. We have a custom cut and powder coated center cap. So we have the custom powder coat for the wheels and the custom powder coat for the center cap.
So I guess let's talk a little bit about the suspension, because on this machine, obviously, the thing's massive, as you can see. For a Honda Foreman 500, usually, your tires are down here with some like stock 26s, and we're sitting on 33s and a lift. So I guess let's talk about what you got for a lift kit here.
So we got the custom built 6-inch lift kit. We're running the +6 Turner Eagle axles. It's powder coated the custom Alien Silver, and we have a custom steering rack built for the steering components.
All right, so on the side of this machine, there's a lot of really cool touches here that I'll have Coy talk about. Like up here, we got all these switches. What are all these switches hooked up to on this one?
So we've got a custom cut switch panel, 6 toggle switches on here. We have one that powers the switch. We have one for the front LED light bar on the radiator kit. We have one for the reverse lights, and then we have one for the 6 rock lights that we're running, and we have 2 extras.
And now what about this, luxury seat cover we got here? Because Hondas usually just come with that flat, basic seat cover, and it looks like we got a diamond stitched almost here.
Yeah, we had a shop in Pensacola, Florida, custom do that seat cover for us. Finish Line Powersports, and they custom stitched our company logo in the back.
So on the rear of this machine, there's a ton going on here. I don't even know where to start. I guess let's talk about this custom rear rack setup and the lights you did on here.
Yeah, so we've got a custom rear rack cut for the rear. We've got 3 reverse lights for it, and we've got a custom cut set of brake lights for the back.
So I guess kind of moving down here, what's this whole machine set up in the rear versus, the suspension? We see these kind of unique paddles. I guess let us know about that.
Yeah, so we've got 2 axle paddles on each side. We've got a 6-inch custom stretch built for the rear, and we have 5-inch wheel spacers built.
The paddles, I guess, what's the advantage to run those paddles?
So if you've got a solid axle and you get into some really deep ruts, following behind a bigger tire, that paddle will grab the sidewall of the rut and push you forward.
Gotcha. For the suspension, I guess, is there anything major you changed up for the shocks and how that all mounts up?
Yeah, so we're running dual shocks in the rear, and we're running 7/8 Heim joints for the stretch, and 3/16 plate braces all the way around.
All right, so on the back of this machine, on the rack, it says giveaway number 1, Khaos Off Road. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so you can enter to win this machine on our website. Every dollar you spend is an entry. At the end of the giveaway on September the 25th, we're going to take all the profits from this giveaway and donate to St. Jude Children's Hospital. So you can go to khaosoffroad.com, and we've got t-shirts and hats and just plenty of things you can buy to be entered.
All right, so that's a wrap for this week's Spotlight, and obviously make sure you get entered to win. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button, leave us a comment below, or let us know if you have any questions about this build, and myself or Coy will be happy to respond on the YouTube comments section. And make sure to subscribe to see more content coming up soon. So with that, I'm Glenn with Function Powersports.
I'm Coy with Khaos Off Road.
And we'll see you next time. Peace. Heck yeah.